Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Deborahene here. So today's video is going to be an experiment, and what I'm gonna need you to do first is hit that subscribe button that is red like my lips. Okay, so today's video is going to be an experiment. I got some new products that, if you don't know by now, I'm obsessed with skincare, and because my goal is to be like Jada Chavez. Okay, so I'm going to be doing an experiment. I'm going to be using these products for 1 week straight to see the skin difference. I know I'm putting on makeup now, but don't worry, later on in the video I'm going to be showing you what my face is at today, and then a week after I'm going to come back and show you guys the results. So I'm just going to show you guys the product. So these are from Dior, and I've showed this one before on my channel, but I just want to show you guys. I stopped using it because I wanted to do this experiment. So I was like, I'm going to let my skin fry, and then let's see what these dudes can do. The Dior Snow UV Shield Brightening UV Protection. This is a sunscreen and SPF 50 plus with Icelandic glacier water. I am rich in the future. Oh, it just comes in this kind of container. Mostly expensive makeup and skincare always like silver trim because it's just so clean and classy. Dior concentrates all the brightening and protective powers of Edelweiss from the Dior Gardens in a lightweight protective fluid to provide the skin the highest protection both on its surface and deep down. From the first application, its ultra lightweight texture delivers softness, comfort, hydration to the skin for a lightweight infused transparent finish. Like, this is the cocoa. That's the cocoa. This is the cocoa. It's the Capture Youth Age Delay Advanced Cream, and it's from Dior, baby. My plug is not a plug, it's a transformer. Okay, but this is how it came. Let me show you how it came. This is how it came, and it had this thing. It says CD. This is their beauty logo, and I opened it up and I saw a little spoon. Guys, have you ever seen where you had to eat your skincare? It came with a little spoon, a spoon. These rich people, these bougie people be chopping each other's money with all this kind of cool, all this kind of yum. I'm like, I guess I'll never know because I'm not bougie. Okay, so this is what it comes in. This is what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. It's kind of pink, pale pink, and the cover is like this. Look, it says Dior. I told you they like silver things. So this is like a mirror because I can see myself perfectly. And you open it up and it has a seal and it does have another cap there. So it's gonna keep the potency of the cream. And I'm gonna open this. I'm still a youngster, but they said once you clock 20, you're supposed to start using anti-aging stuff, because if you look at it this way, I think it's smarter for you to try to stop aging before you start aging. Like, and it says the new Age Delay Advanced Cream infused with a powerful ingredient of natural origin, iris, maximizes the skin's antioxidant power to help protect and strengthen its youth capital.
Day 4.
So this is just a quick check-in with you guys, and today's the fourth day I'm using, or the fourth time I'm using the Dior Capture Youth. Yeah, we're still on it. And what have I noticed? But I think like the pores, I feel like my skin feels softer, especially like my forehead and like my T-zone area. So I just washed my face, the usual stuff. And yes, I've been using the sunscreen because I've been going out in the daytime. So I just scoop it like this. I just take with the spoon. That much, not too much. I'm sure it's not too much, but this much, and I just apply it on my face because and oh boy, this stuff feels like heaven. It feels like silicone. Child, money is good though. And I put the remaining one like on my chest, if you can see. So I'll check back. This is my 6th day of using this, and so I'm going out. I just want to quickly go and buy China's food, and I'm going to just show you the sunscreen. And the last time I did this, I think I used too much. My whole face was so like hydrated and oily. I think I have to reduce how I use it because because I was just doing too much. And yes, I've seen a huge difference in my skin. It's a lot smoother, like softer. So yeah, 51 in the morning. So you're not supposed to be out in the sun by this time without sunscreen, because the UV rays that destroy the skin starts from I think 10 a.m. till like 2. Those are like dangerous. So this is it. I'm just gonna take a tiny to make your face look white. So you want to use small, not too much, just an average amount like this. So the rest of it, I'll just apply this on my neck and my ears, because your ears too can burn, and I'll just rub it. And to go with that, I just put my comments because and yeah, so I'll check back with you guys on the last day. I'll give you the last day's review, and we are going to know if these people have chopped our money or not. So yeah, see you later.
Eventually.
Hey guys, so today is the last day of me using the Dior Capture Youth Cream that we have been talking about from the beginning of this video to the end. So I've been using this for a complete 1 week, I think over a week, because I couldn't film on some days because I was just not feeling fine. So I'm just gonna get right into it. I'm just gonna take with the bougie people spoon. I don't take too much anymore because this stuff is potent. I mean, it's the creamiest cream I've ever seen. I think, did I see any changes in my skin? Hell yes, I did see a lot of changes. So guys, I didn't notice too much of a difference in my skin tone, but I noticed a difference in this place too, like your chin and your cheek side. It feels like smoother, and especially when I wake up in the morning, it just feels much smoother, and I've been loving it. So was it worth the money? If you got it like that, I would advise you to get one of these, but if you don't have it like that, you could do without it. So that's what I think. That's the verdict on this. But since I have it, I might as well, you know, enjoy it. But this stuff was really good after 1 week, and it was like fire. Like my skin feels so soft and so smooth. So let me know if you want to see more of these types of videos where I'll be your guinea pig and try out new skincare products that I don't know if it is destroy my skin or make my skin good. So yeah, comment down below if you like this kind of videos. Like, yeah, give it a thumbs up, share because sharing is caring, and of course subscribe because subscribing means you're supporting me. So yeah, so I'll see you in my next video.